Alright, so we got Talking Justin Bieber, and it says 12 phrases.
JustinBieber.com. I'm always planting little pranks and trying to keep people on their toes.
Pranking so many people just to keep them on their toes. I don't think that helps with your music.
I can't believe that this is my world.
I can't believe that what I'm doing is my world. Thank you very much.
I like going on stage and actually performing for my fans. Thank you to all my, all my fans. You look very beautiful.